Aye. Alright. I know, Branson, say what's good. Say what's good.
Hey, what's poppin'? What's poppin'?
I know Sugar told y'all that I've been doing this new job in this out of state and blah blah blah. But yeah, tonight it's Monday and I'm going up tonight. So I'll see y'all. I'll bring y'all for this journey. We just reached to the house that we stay at. I know I didn't tell anybody what kind of job it is that I do yet, but I guess y'all will figure out tomorrow when I go to work. I'm not gonna say it. But we just reached. It's 12:21 right now, right? And we're going to work at like 6:45 tomorrow, so I gotta wake up at 5:30. Somebody change off and catch some damn Z's, right? And y'all will finally get to see what kind of job it is that I've been doing. I just woke up. It's like, hold on. It's 5:37 right now. I just woke up. By the time I do it properly. Yeah, I'm about to brush my teeth and find something to eat and get ready for work and get out, you know? Good morning. Yeah, good morning again, you know? Ready for work. Waiting for these guys so we can leave out. Y'all will finally see the time, because I'm not gonna tell y'all still not gonna tell y'all what kind of work it is. But yeah, you know? So in a couple minutes we leave, and I'm just for the job. Obviously I'm not buying wear slippers. So I'm ready to go. Aye. Run to it, man. Good?
Yeah, man.
Aye.
Getting ready?
Definitely.
For a hot day, man.
Definitely. Aye. I'm not looking forward to it, but let's go. That's the it upon.
Up movement, PG.
Aye.
Try to get it going, you know?
Which is right. We're in Pennsylvania, right? And Pennsylvania is way different than New York, trust me. And I'm used to New York. This place just looks different. Everywhere either you're on top of a hill or you're below a hill, you know? Look. Aye. It's always snowing or icy or something. Something always going on basically. But yeah, the footage might look weird because I didn't trouble a DSLR camera. I left Sugar to use that camera, even though she barely using it. But I'm using the GoPro, and the GoPro is like a scenic thing. So this kind of look weird, you know? Wait, let's go. I just made it to work. It's cold as hell, and we reach work late, so I gotta get my everything before the boss comes. So I won't be able to have the camera, so just let y'all know. It's cold, and as you guys can tell, it's construction work, right? But yeah, I'm about to go get my stuff together before the boss comes. Alright, so as I said earlier, I'm at work right now. I'm actually going through on an errand. I don't want nobody to feel like I'm at work and I'm just messing around. That me know what time?
You understand me? You must know how much the thing they have. You can't win. You can't win again because he will come back and win after the 6 because see me a joke you there.
I can't win.
Win one?
I win.
Oh, me have a blank. I want to do everything. I tell you, no, let me know, man. Yo, play the game.
You can start that too, though.
At 6 now that thing getting up.
Yeah. You can start that too, right?
Yo. That's to escape it. Oh God.
Austin messed up. Countryman don't know how to play domino. Play skateball.
Plan my plan for you, but it no work.
Yeah.
Let him go. Then we try again. Double 6 points.
Good morning. It's another day of the week. I tried recording yesterday, but it was too damn cold outside. So the camera just died. The camera just turned off. I don't even think I'm gonna bring the camera outside today to even try to get a glimpse of what the work side is like, because the same thing's gonna happen. It's too cold. But yeah, we left work early and we came home. We just played some dominoes yesterday. Aye. Isn't it? But it's another day, and yeah, the job it's a construction work. It's carpentry. So that's the next thing I'm learning, and I'm excited for this one. Aye. Well yeah, I finished up getting ready. I'm finna finish getting ready and head to work.